Xiangtan Electric Locomotive Factory Company Limited is located in Tianyi Demonstration Zone in Xiangtan, which is one of the 5 comprehensive reform pilot demonstration zones during the construction of 2-type society in Changsha, Duzhou, Xiangtan City Group. Having passed ISO 9001, 2008 Quality Management System certification and Security certification, the company is a famous comprehensive corporate enterprise integrating with research and development, manufacturing and service of mining equipment. It's an enterprise manufacturing electromechanical equipment and parts in domestic and abroad mining industry, and is a manufacturer for electric locomotive and escape capsule, with a strong research and development capacity, large producing scale, complete specifications and models, as well as wide influence in the same domestic industry. The products of the company have been licensed with the Core Security Certificate, Anti-Explosion Certificate, and Production Certificate, with an annual producing capacity of 2,000 sets of electric locomotive, 500 sets of escape capsule and refugee chamber. The company has possessed advanced domestic proprietary intellectual property rights in electric locomotive IGBT chapped wave speed regulating and control, for hydraulic speed control, AC frequency conversion speed regulating and control, railroad luxury manned locomotive, shaft mobile escape capsule and refuge chamber. The company has also established cooperative partnership with domestic large and medium-sized core groups, land core groups, and engineering construction groups, and has exported products to Southeast Asia, Europe, Africa, and America with international influence. The company has been awarded with the titles like China Famous Brand, National High-Tech Enterprise, Enterprise Technology Center approved by Hunan Province, Hunan Famous Products, Hunan Mayday Neighbor Award, Hunan 2-Type Demonstration Unit, and Hunan Quality Credit AAA Unit. Therefore, Shawnee people will eternally move forward and strive to pursue the innovation of products and better service so as to create a better future